In offices worldwide, there's a dirty little secret that employees dread: cleaning their own workspace. While it may seem like a simple task, the aversion to office cleaning runs deep. From time constraints to hygiene concerns, here are the top 10 reasons why employees despise picking up the mop and broom. Number 1. Time is money. With deadlines looming and tasks piling up, employees view cleaning as a time-consuming chore that detracts from their primary responsibilities. Every minute spent scrubbing floors or wiping desks is a minute lost to productive work. Number 2. Focus interrupted. Cleaning interrupts the flow of work, breaking concentration and disrupting the creative process. It's hard to stay in the zone when you're elbow deep in cleaning solution. Number 3. The grind factor. Let's face it, cleaning isn't glamorous. Dealing with dirt, dust, and grime can leave employees feeling less than enthusiastic about rolling up their sleeves and getting to work. Number 4. Strain on the body. Cleaning tasks can be physically demanding, especially for employees with health issues or mobility limitations. From lifting heavy objects to bending and stretching, cleaning can take a toll on the body. Number 5. Lack of expertise. Not everyone is a cleaning expert. Employees may struggle to find the most effective cleaning methods or lack access to the right tools and equipment. Number 6. Job description blues. When cleaning duties fall outside the scope of an employee's job description, resentment can brew. Employees want to feel valued for their skills and expertise, not their ability to wield a feather duster. Number 7. Hygiene hazards. Cleaning can expose employees to potentially hazardous materials or substances, raising concerns about their health and safety in the workplace. Number 8. Unequal distribution. In some workplaces, cleaning duties may not be evenly distributed among colleagues, leading to feelings of unfairness and resentment among the team. Number 9. Supply shortages. Not having access to proper cleaning supplies can make the task more challenging and less effective. Without the right tools, employees may feel ill-equipped to tackle the mess. Number 10. Morale buster. Perhaps most importantly, being tasked with cleaning their own workspace can have a detrimental effect on employee morale and job satisfaction. Feeling like janitors rather than valued members of the team can leave employees feeling demoralized and disengaged. From time constraints to hygiene concerns, there are numerous reasons why employees dread cleaning their own office. By recognizing these challenges and implementing solutions to address them, employers can create a happier, healthier, and more productive workplace for all. After all, a clean office is a happy office, but that doesn't mean employees want to be the ones doing the cleaning.